Hey guys, it's math time and we are finishing this week out with page 54 in your math books. I said earlier that you don't have any math homework, so this shouldn't take us too long. We have done a page similar to this quite a few times, so we should be able to get it by ourselves at this point. I will say though that when we are counting our children today, we are going to want to make sure that we are not double counting them, skip counting them, or anything like that. So please make sure we've talked about how you can put a little dot, a little X, whatever you may need to do so you do not count or double count or skip count your children, okay? All right, so on page 54, it is asking us to count how many children, write that number on the line. I would think they're asking us to write that number on the line using our best handwriting and taking up that whole space. Since we are writing numbers, we will be using the sky to the ground. No floating numbers, please. And then we will be drawing a leaf for each child. I don't know if I can draw a leaf. I'm not really worried about if you can draw a leaf, but we'll be drawing something that, whether that be a shape or something that looks like a leaf for each child. Remember, you can always just use circles for our pages like this, okay? So I'm going to count my children. I'm going to start here. I'm going to work myself and I'm going to work my way in rows. That way I try not to, I'm going to keep myself on track, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 children. I'm going to write that number on the line using my best handwriting. I have 8. Now I'm going to draw a leaf, one for each child. So 1 leaf per child. So how many leaves am I going to need? I am going to need 8 leaves. I am just going to draw triangles because I think they kind of look like this. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice how I kept them in lines. They're arranged nicely. They're not all over the page like crazy. It makes it nice and easy for me to be able to tell that I have 8 leaves because I have 8 children. I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, please ask me. This week was pretty easy because we were just counting 8 and 9, but I must tell you, next week's going to get pretty tricky because we are making 8 and 9. So please be ready for that. All right, you guys have a great weekend. I will talk to you all on Monday.